were racing each other. That was fun. Oh, that's a good night. You did?
So that crash I just had ended up being this MIPI cable. It detached from the connector inside the camera body. Went to take the backplate off and the MIPI cable just fell right out. So what I need to do is put the sticker here, this little spacer sticker, like right here to kind of hold the MIPI against the backplate so that it has pressure on the board. So that should prevent this from happening again. So I'm testing out some new firmware for how to enter and exit 0 milliwatt mode and how fast it is. So that's off and then on. Looks like off. Can take a little bit longer, but here, do on. So that's pretty fast. And that's let's do a scan here. So we're completely off right now. Okay. And I'm gonna flip it on. So very fast.